Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your profits from funding pips, including how to request your reward and choose your preferred payout method. So first of all, you need to just simply log in into your funding pips account dashboard. Now, when you are inside it, you need to just simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of the rewards tab. Now over here you are going to see your account is currently eligible for a reward and how much you can request. So your exact timing and the requirements depends on the model and the reward plan that you have selected. So before you request the withdrawal, you just have to make sure that you have closed all of your open trades and you have cancelled any of the pending orders as well. Then simply wait for at least 15 minutes after closing the last trade before submitting your reward request. Now over here, you just have to simply click on the option of request reward, then select your master account, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You need to choose the reward as your option. You don't necessarily have to withdraw your entire available profits. Your request just need to meet the applicable minimum. Now you need to just simply choose how do you want to receive your money. So depending on your location, you can select the option of card, crypto, rise, or even bank transfer. And then you just have to review the payout details carefully. Also accept the terms and conditions and click on the option of claim my rewards. Now your request reward is generally processed within 1 to 3 working days, and you may need another 1 to 2 working days for the money to reach your wallet or the bank account. But these days funding pips is basically providing your payouts within just 2 to 5 minutes, so you can also get it as quickly as possible. So if that's how you can basically withdraw the money from funding pips. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.